Ava, your new shoes. Are you gonna walk in them? You can do it. Oh, are they heavy? It's acting like it's hard to pick her feet up. You might need to hold on to your daddy's hand for a little bit, just to get used to them.
She said, I don't need his hand.
She's like, I can do this all by myself. It's like when you see those cats with little boots on their feet. So cute! Do you like them? You like them? Now you can walk, keep your feet warm on the tile, and you won't slide.
There you go.
Now she's getting it. It's dark down there. I can't really video very good.
Coming back.
Yay! Aren't they cute? Look at those cute little sneakers. Look at my feet. Little Velcro shoes. Yay!
Thank you, third world country.
Making really cheap little kid shoes. It's amazing how cheap those were.
$10 actually.
I think it is. You know how much work probably went into making those?
Yeah, but there's
For
hardly
$10?
no materials. Materials are,
There's lots of materials.
$1.
Okay.
She definitely knows she's checking it out, trying to
Yeah.
figure out how to walk in them.
She's
Practicing.
definitely practicing.
Yeah, you are. Come this way. I think it helps her to steady actually a little bit.
They're definitely not slippery.
Mm-mm.
Hey,
New shoes.
Smile. Oh. Okay. 4 minutes is a long video.